Hello, welcome to the potting shed. So this video is going to be all about carrots. So I shall show you some different ways of growing carrots, what works for me, and I'm going to show you some varieties of carrots that I grow as well. So I'll show you them first. So these are my carrots for this year. I normally go for Autumn King, especially down at the allotment. It's quite a good solid carrot. They're quite big and they grow well in clay soil. So that's my staple one for the allotment. I've then got the usual resist the fly and fly away. So carrots that can combat or help out with carrot fly. With my allotment ones, I normally have them covered with EnviroMesh anyway, which I did last year, and I didn't get any carrot fly whatsoever. So I'll talk about that in a bit. But yeah, I normally wait until the Wilko sale. So it says £1 and £3 for that, but I pay 10p for that and 20p for that, and I normally get loads of carrots because you give yourself a better chance of germination the more carrots you sow. So these are the ones I got from Medwin's. So these are my show carrots. I say that, I'm going to try anyway. So these are going to be grown in tubs, and I'll show you the difference between growing in tubs, growing in the ground, and growing in the ground which is uncovered as well. So what I'm expecting is, it's January now, so really I should have harvested all my carrots, but I haven't. So I'll show you the ones I've got in the ground. They should have carrot fly damage, I would expect, and the ones in the tub hopefully haven't, because the ones in the tub are quite high. So well, led to believe that carrot flies can't fly that high. So it's over a metre, so we'll see. So this is my garden carrot bed. The soil's quite nice, mainly topsoil. So they grew quite nicely, but I'm going to harvest them now, and I'm expecting some kind of slug or carrot fly damage. So that's what I've just harvested. They don't look that bad actually, but we'll go and wash them and see what we've got. So these are the garden carrots. To be honest, they're a lot better than I expected, and I think the hard frost we had in December probably killed a lot of the grubs etc off. But you can see there are signs of carrot fly damage on each carrot. But they're better than I expected. So with these, I'm just going to clean up, peel and blitz for the freezer, so I can just add them to bolognese and curries and stews etc. So that's what I'll do with those. Now these are my tub carrots. So these are my tub carrots. You can see it's quite a high tub, and it's filled with sort of sieved compost, sand. You can see some slug eggs there actually, so maybe I'll have some slug damage, but we'll have a look. So straight away I can see that the quality is better, but they're smaller carrots. I think it's because I put quite a lot of carrots in a small area. Just starting to root, look, so I've got to harvest them all now so I can actually use them. I'll clean them off and then we'll compare. So with the tub variety, this is the comparison, there's no sign of carrot fly whatsoever, not even any slug damage. But what I did find is a lot of it was splitting, and I think it's because when we did have the hard frost in December, this would have got really cold and solid, whereas the ones in the ground, I think they survived better. even though the tops were affected by the frost. The roots in the ground seem to fare better than the tub. So if I'm going to go in the tub again, then I'll make sure if there's a frost, then I'll get it covered to protect it. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. I'm going to use up all these carrots now and put them in the freezer. So this is this year's carrot compost. So it's a mixture of old tomato compost, which I grew tomatoes in the greenhouse. I used all that old compost, mixed it in with topsoil, leaf mould, sand. So, oh, that shouldn't be in there. Make sure there's no stones in there, bits and bobs. But yeah, so that's good stuff for carrots. I'll add some more sand and probably some coir in with it as well. So we're good to go.